up, guys? JT, Resident Dog Fishing. Nothing fishing related today. Got to fix my canopy tent. I was up in Tampa for the Bucks game versus Cincinnati, and one of the little cross members on my canopy tent broke. And it happens to a lot of people. Let me show you how I'm going to fix it. All right, so here's my tent. You can obviously see the one truss that's hanging down. Split right there in the middle. There's one piece there right where the screw goes through. It's happened to me before, but this is a fairly brand new tent. I was opening it up and probably a little bit of haste because it was raining at the Tampa Bay Cincinnati game, and well, that thing snapped. So let's get to fixing it. I got two ideas. All right, so up on the workbench here, I got the broken truss here. I went to my local hardware store and I got flat bar, 3/4 by 36 inches. I measured the length of this and it's exactly 36 inches. Center hole's at 18 inches. So I got a piece of metal and I got a piece of aluminum. I'm not sure which one. This one obviously flexes a little more, but I'll make them up and see how they work out. Key is you want to get the exact length. I looked online for them and they're like 18 bucks, something like that, for both trusses. And I think these are $4 each at Home Depot or Lowe's or your local hardware store. So they come in 3-foot and 4-foot length. So if you got a longer truss, you can get a longer piece to make it work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark my holes. I'm going to drill them, make sure it fits, and if it does and works fine, we'll make it look pretty with a little self-etching primer and some white paint. So I'm laying it out. Right on top is exactly 36 inches, the same length. Make sure I get it dead center and mark my holes. I'll do that. I'm taking a center punch so my drill bit doesn't walk. Quarter-inch drill bit. So there's the aluminum. I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't particularly think that's going to work very well. It's got a lot of flex to it, but we'll throw it in the throw it in there and see how she comes out. So there's the test fit. So you have to throw some washers in there so you can see the difference in the size, but I think we'll just paint her up and I think she'll be good to go. I'm telling you, I don't know if I like the aluminum. I think I'm going to use the flat bar steel instead, but it's the same principle. Lay it out, drill your 3 holes. I mean, it's nice that these were already 36 inches pre-cut. So I'm gonna make up a steel one. We'll paint them both and go from there. At least I'll have a backup with me in case anything happens. Let's make it look pretty. And before you paint anything, preparation's key. Y'all got a stupid sticker on them. I'm gonna get that off. I'm gonna wipe it down with some acetone before I lay down my self-etching primer. Alright, now that the primer's dry, this is just what I had laying around. I'm going to hit it with that, and that's the white that's already there. Alright. Let those dry and we'll fix the tent. Alright, so there's the final product. We're going to slap her in there, see how it works. There's the final product. Paint job's not the best. It's got a little bubble in there, but you have to look to see it. Fold her up, put her away.